på Paranoid av Black Sabbath. Finish with my woman, 'cause she couldn't have me with my mind. People think I'm mincing because I am frowning all the time. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I lose my mind if I don't find something to pacify. Can you help me occupy my brain? Oh, can you help me occupy my brain? Oh, I need someone to show me the things in life that I can't find. I can see the things that makes you happiness. I must be blind. Make a joke and I will sigh, and you will laugh and I will cry. Happiness I cannot feel, and love to me is so unreal. And so as you hear these words, telling you now of my state, I tell you to end your life. I wish I could.